a WikiVidi documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Black Versace dress of Elizabeth Hurley. Elizabeth Hurley wore a black Versace dress, often referred to as that dress, when she accompanied Hugh Grant to the premiere of 4 Weddings and a Funeral in 1994. The dress was held together by several oversized gold safety pins. The dress is perhaps Versace's best-known creation, and is considered by some to be largely responsible for launching Hurley onto the global media stage. Design. The black dress was made from pieces of silk and lycra fabric, with oversized gold safety pins placed at strategical places. The dress was wide open at the front, from the neck down to at least halfway across the bosom, with 2 slimline straps on the shoulders each side connected by a gold safety pin and 2 cutaway parts on both sides that were held together, with 6 gold safety pins on each side and 1 at the top of the cutaway on each side connecting it to the bosom section. The dress is said to be punk-inspired, neo-punk, and something which emerged from the sari development, according to Gianni Versace himself. Influence. The dress is perhaps Versace's best-known creation, as it received considerable global coverage in newspapers and magazines around the world for a long time after the event, and was credited for boosting Hurley's profile, hurling her from being a virtually unknown actress to worldwide media recognition. Hurley has also been credited for making the Versace fashion brand a household name. The brand has since, with its omnipresent Medusa head logo, defined the paradoxes of a controversial new generation feminism which celebrates empowerment in the act of attracting and manipulating a male gaze. The dress was top in a Debenhams poll that asked 3,000 women to select their favorite iconic red carpet dress. In 2007, a copy of the dress worn by Hurley was put on sale for the first time with a price tag of £10,690 at Harrods, as part of an exhibition dedicated to the little black dress at the London store. The exhibition included the famous black dress worn by Audrey Hepburn in the 1963 movie Charade, as part of the Harrods Timeless Luxury promotion. In 2012, pop singer Lady Gaga wore the dress to meet Donatella Versace in Milan. Gaga promoted Versace by wearing archive pieces in her music video for the song, The Edge of Glory. Controversy. Hurley said of the dress, "That dress was a favor from Versace, because I couldn't afford to buy one." His, Grant's, "People told me they didn't have any evening wear, but there was one item left in their press office. So I tried it on, and that was it." However, some viewed the dress as too lewd or distastefully revealing. Hurley said in response to comments about the revealing nature of the dress, "Unlike many other designers, Versace designs clothes to celebrate the female form rather than eliminate it." Brought to you by WikiVidi Documentaries. Would you like to know more?